Hey guys, it's History Man over here. Guess what came in? Guess what came in the mail? I got a Time magazine from 1940. Look at that. Now, I just got this, so I know it's open. My uncle ordered it for me, and he guess he already opened it when it came through. So let's look at this. So I didn't open it. I didn't take a look to it. So this is my first time taking a look at you guys. So man, look at that. Look at that. 1940 and 15 cents. Wow. Time magazine. So let's take a look. Hey guys, it's History Man over here. I got a Time magazine I wanna talk about. So yeah. Like I said, I got this from the mail. So my uncle ordered it, and you will see the unboxing on the camera because using like a phone-like device because the camera broke. So yeah, but this is my my Time magazine here, and I gotta show you some before this unboxing. I gotta show you some proof. I am working on the Victorian era video. I'm gonna show you like a little preview about it. This is the intro of it. I'm working on it, and let me see. Go to projects. This is the Victorian era one. That's the intro. This is the Victorian era one. Look at that. Look at that. This is the whole documentary I did. I did some nice special effects on other things, so I hope you guys enjoy. And when I post it, like I said, it's gonna take a long time to process because I gotta put more pictures in. I gotta put the information on who these people are, what did they do, and stuff like that. Blah 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 blah. And I have to do stuff like that as best as I can. Now I apologize if I mumble into the documentaries or I can't pronounce anything. If I can't pronounce anything, you know, I just can't pronounce them. So you guys are smart anyway, so you probably know what it is. So alright, now let's back to the unboxing. Alright, look at this. I got from this. This is the Time magazine from 1940. It's nice. I'm gonna take a look at that. Oh my God! Look at that. Didn't touch it. This is a Time magazine from 1940. 15 cents. It's amazing. So let's open it up. Let's open it up. Wow. Oh my God. Look at that. It's amazing. Nash, what does it cost? Like $800 for a car. Wow. It's amazing. Insurance. Wow. This is gonna be a quick unboxing. Wow. Everything. National Affairs. Look at the finish in Soviet War. That's pretty cool. And there goes Stalin. There goes Stalin himself right over there. Or Stalin. Goodness. Oh my God. One way to keep a husband. I wonder why. Oh, because of some tires. Yeah, it's crazy. I like these old ads. 4 Roses. The Japanese See, this is 1940. We're not even at war with them yet. Lincoln. It tells the truth. Because they should put it at in all Lincoln cars. Lincoln, it tells the truth. I like that. Wow, that's amazing. 1940. Telephone company. And also, you're probably wondering where do I get these from? Let me just give you a quick look of how much magazines I have. So I'm not gonna show them all, but this is the magazines I have. See, even Abel have to stand up since it's huge. See, so that's how big I have. So it's just you wondering. Now you're wondering that what do I have? Where do I get all these stuff? Well, I get them on. It probably doesn't look like I don't have a lot of magazines, but because the newspapers are just covering them. Look at that. See, I have more in the back. Look at that. See, I have more in the back. Right over here too. Oh, and over here. Over here. So yeah. So you might be wondering, where do I get these from? I buy from Timothy Hughes. Where I know you go to Amazon. I purchase from eBay. I go to a website called Timothy Hughes. Where I know newspapers. I'll put that link in the downstream. Those are very interesting guys. They have newspapers from all kinds of time periods, from 1500 to like now. So I think that you should get those newspapers. I'll put the link down in the description below. And also, there's a guy named Past Paper. He's a very interesting guy. So that's where I get all these magazines from and newspapers. Some of them I do found them. Some of them people give me these magazines. So like this newspaper right here, it was given to that. Somebody gave it to me. It's from the 1930s. So yeah, so I won't go from today, but I will go on not the whole collection, but I'll show you some Pacific stuff. So also these are, in total, these are 255 or probably even 260 magazines in here. So that's what I like to do. So I'm gonna close the drawer right now. See, it's very heavy too. All the newspapers in there, and magazines in there. All right. So let's take a look. Look at the radios. Oh, look at all that, man. This is amazing stuff. Yeah, things were cheap back then too. It's look at this. $660 for Chevrolet, man. For a Chevy. Wow. Texaco. And I would just like the ads of these things. I really do. I really love these old ads. Strike batteries. I think they're still around. Sharon Williams, they're still around. Look at that, they got a cigarette ad. It's funny that, people think, oh, it's okay to smoke. Let me read this real quick. Smart girls, you cannot buy a better cigarette when you ask for Chesterfields. The dealer will say this with a smile. They satisfy you with that Chester smoke cooler. Tastes better, and are officially reminder for Chesterfields have a right combination of the world's best cigarette tobaccos. Wow. Make your own X-Pack Chesterfield. Wow. It's amazing stuff. But that's my unboxing. This is probably my first magazine unboxing. I wouldn't get another newspaper until July. I think in July or June I would get my Newsweek from 1937. Then from there, then I'll get, and then I order this stuff every year. So yeah, I order this stuff every year. So I will show it to you guys. I will show you my full collection, and also I have an update on coins. I'll show you guys update on coins, which I will. I don't wanna, so you know, probably guys can't even see them anyway. So yeah, so these are the coins, and actually I filled up the whole coin book. Back then I didn't. That you saw the last coin video. It was that's when I didn't have a coin book. But now I do have a coin book, so I would show you to you guys, and I will look the coins that I didn't show you guys already. Probably I didn't. I think I showed one 1800 coin. Probably that Austrian coin I had. Yeah, but I have more from the 1800s, so I will show them to